Hello everyone, welcome to Car at the Garage, and today we have this South Korean mid-size SUV Kia Seltos with us. Well, this particularly is the GTX Plus variant. Starting right away with the key, this is the smart key that Kia offers with lock, unlock, hold for engine start and hold for boot open as well. Okay, before moving on to the exterior, let us quickly have a look at the 12 color options available with the Seltos. The intense red color, the glacier white pearl, the steel silver, the gravity grey, the aurora black pearl, the intelligence blue, the punchy orange, and the dual treatment of white pearl and black pearl. We get the roof as well as the ORVM in black, the orange and white, the white pearl plus orange, the red and black, and silver and orange. Okay, now let us move to the front profile of the car. Well, the design of the front profile has really been taken care of because it looks very appealing. It has a nostril-like look and this muscular line both the way on the bonnet with the rain sensing wipers. This is the tiger nose grille surrounded by this massive chrome bar all around, and this looks very awesome with these blackish patterns all around the grille. This is the GT line badging. The GT variants of Seltos has really uplifted the aesthetics of the car. Just above the tiger nose grille, we get this Kia logo. This is the 360-degree camera with guidelines, of course, and below it we have the front parking sensors as well. Okay, I really liked the design of the front bumper, which gets red treatment, and we're gonna get such red treatments all over the car because it's the GT line variant. Okay, now moving towards the headlight setup. This is all LED units, not projected but LEDs. This is the headlight, which looks super cool, and we have a very long running LED DRL which starts right from here and goes long till here, which almost covers the entire grille. This is the turn indicator, which happens to be LED again, and below this we have the ice cubed fog lamps. Okay, let me turn the lights on for you. So this is how it looks, all LED units, the headlights, the turn indicators, the ice cube fog lamps, everything. So the headlight setup is really up to the mark. Okay, now moving to the side profile of the car. Looking at the side profile of the car, we first come across with this 17-inch crystal cut alloy wheels. The brake caliper gets the red treatment only for the front wheels and not for the rear wheels, which is kind of weird. Here it is. Okay, the hubcaps even get the red treatment, and we have the red inserts for the side skirts as well. Okay, now one of the downside of the Seltos is this, the approach angle. The approach angle is not really up to the mark for an off-road capability. Here we have the black colored ORVM with integrated turn indicator and lane watch camera as well. The detailing of the car has really been taken care of. Right from the A pillar long way to the C pillar, we get this massive chrome bar. Well, these are the chrome door handles with request sensor both for front passenger and driver as well for keyless entry. Okay, this is the hill assist control which will prevent vehicle rolling back during an uphill climb, which is an important feature. Okay, let's have a look at the top profile of the car. This is the top profile of the car. The roof is entirely black because this is a dual tone color, and these are the chrome roof rails. Okay, the shark fin antenna is black again, and this is the sunroof, which is not panoramic roof, and this is quite astonishing because its rivals including the Hyundai Creta and MG Hector gets a panoramic roof, but the upgraded Seltos will come with a panoramic roof. Okay, now let's check the rear profile. This is the rear profile of the Seltos, which looks very compact indeed. Okay, starting right away with the boot space. So Kia Seltos offers 433 liter of boot space, which is decent enough. And inside it we get a 16-inch steel rims spare wheel. Yes, 16-inch and not 17-inch. Okay, giving a closer look at the top, we have this rear black spoiler with integrated tail light, and the placement of tail light is really very cool. Below this we have this rear defoggers, and this is the rear wiper. Just below the wiper we get the Kia logo surrounded by this massive chrome grille almost connecting both the tail lights. Okay, let me turn on the tail lights. So this is how it looks. This is the tail lights, and this particularly is the turn indicator. Below are the reflectors. Okay, here we get the Seltos badging. It doesn't say GTX Plus anywhere. This is the GT Line badging. This is the TGDI badging, which is the engine name. The engine varies from 353 to 497 cc. Okay, here are the rear parking sensors. The reverse parking camera is placed right here, and now we have the dual exhaust treatment, but sadly it's fake. The real exhaust happens to be under the body right here, which is single tip exhaust, and even the rear bumper get the rear inserts, and that's all from the exterior. Now let's quickly get into the interiors. These are the rear seat, which gets 60-40 split if needed to increase the boot carrying capacity. And here we have the center headrest. All the three headrests are adjustable, and this is the center armrest with twin cup holders. Okay, looking at the top, we come across with this LED room lights, and we have the grab handles both the way with coat hook as well. Okay, the Kia Seltos even get the sunshade curtains, and here we have the rear AC vents with USB port and smart air purified display. Now moving to the most awaited, the front interiors of the car. Starting right away with the door. Okay, let us discuss the build material. So this is the hard material, and this is the glossy touch, and here at last we have the soft leather touch with red stitching as well. And this is the inside door handle, which gets hyper silver metallic paint. These are the ORVM control. The ORVM is both electrically adjustable and electrically foldable, and these are lock and unlock keys. These are for power window controls, and right at the bottom we have the child lock. Okay, so Kia offers Bose premium sound system with 8 speakers and LED sound mood lights as well. Okay, now looking at the driver seat. The driver seat is 8-way electrically adjustable, and it has got various red stitching all the way, and it says GT Line right there. Okay, this is the leather wrapped D-cut steering wheel, which says GT Line again right it there. And at left we have the steering mounted control. These are for media infotainment system, while at the right we have the controls for cruise and MID. This left stroke is for rain sensing wiper controls, while the right stroke is for automatic headlight controls. Okay, right there we have the controls for traction and HUD, the heads-up display. With Kia Seltos GTX Plus variant, we get 8-inch heads-up display, which displays the digital speed, the speed alert, and navigation as well. Okay, this is the instrument cluster. With, on the left we have the analog tachometer, on right we have the analog speedometer, and in center we have the digital MID, the multi-information display. Looking at the top, we have this controls for sunroof, and these are the two LED reading lights. Okay, one tap for sunglass holder, and these are the sun visors, but only the front passenger seats gets the vanity mirror. This is the inside rear view mirror with auto anti-glare and UVO controls. And here we have the 10.25-inch infotainment system with Android Auto, Bluetooth, and Apple CarPlay compatibility. Here are the front AC vents and the hazard light. This is the automatic climate control display, and here we have the control related to the air conditioner. And this is the ventilated seat option. Okay, Kia gets the front seats ventilated, and here we have the 360-degree camera view. Here are the twin cup holders, and this is the driver armrest with decent amount of storage and smart air purified display as well. Okay, now moving to the last, this is the glove box, which even have the decent amount of storage space but doesn't come with cooling. Okay, thank you so much for watching till here.